Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Pocketknife Black Void Opus here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's do a quick unboxing here. This is like a classic Wii packaging. You just got like a cardboard box, and you've got your Wii knife made better pouch. Inside you're gonna find a pretty nice cloth, a couple of stickers, some paperwork, and then you're gonna have your knife in a plastic bag. And this is the pretty cool surprise you're gonna get when you unbox this knife. This is a pretty cool one, guys. This is the Pocketknife Black Void Opus. Overall length is gonna be 6.8 inches with a 2.75-inch long cutting edge and around a 4-inch long handle. It's a nice titanium liner lock with some pretty cool carbon fiber inlays. Very clean look, no screws except for the pivot on the show side, just one screw on the back, and of course the pivot right over here. Collar. It's nicely done, guys. It's titanium 3D milled pocket clip. Nice retention for sure. I love the design. This is a Jeff Lundquist design. Really cool. It's a front flipper, of course, sterile blade, 20 CV steel. You've got Jeff Lundquist logo right over there, and if you check the centering, you're gonna be like, what? This is uncentered. No, it's just because this is a chisel grind and the blade is perfectly centered, as you can see. And chisel grind means that this side, for example, is just like perpendicular to the stock. You have just this wedge right over here, but you have the main bevel and just the edge right on that side and not on this one. So it creates the illusion of being off center, but it's of course not. Really cool. It sounds very interesting. Has a subdued sound, very elegant and inconspicuous. It's cool and feels good in the hand. There's a little bit of hot spot created by this pocket clip over here. In my case, I can feel it. It's not that uncomfortable, but it's there. The weight is going to be 2.75 ounces in your pocket. It's made in China by Pocketknife Company, and it's a really cool EDC for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.